Hello guys and welcome to my beauty room. So today I'll continue series of videos where I reorganize and rearrange makeup. So if you haven't seen my previous videos, I already did video where I showed how I move my filming equipment to my beauty room. I also moved out this KALLAX Shelf unit. This is the smallest unit that I have. And then after that, I moved this bigger KALLAX Shelf unit to my beauty room and also reorganize and rearrange all of the makeup. Then I showed you all the makeup that I keep in my everyday makeup drawer in my makeup vanity table. So I will put all of the links in my description down below. So let's get started, and first I will take all of the makeup from these ALEX drawers, and then after that I will move to my second ALEX drawer unit, and then I will put all of the makeup in my floor. I already cleaned it, so it's all very cleaned, and then I will rearrange everything and put it back. And without any further ado, let's get started and let's clean, rearrange and redecorate my makeup beauty room again. So here's all the makeup that I took out from my first ALEX drawer. So now I'll be continuing and taking out all of the makeup that I keep in my second ALEX drawer. Some makeup is new, so I keep it as my backup, and also some makeup I use every day. So here is all of the makeup that I took out from my both ALEX drawers. So now I'll be cleaning out all of the drawers, and then after that I'll be putting all of this makeup to their new place. So let's continue because I still have a lot of things to do. So in the first shelf, I put false lashes that I have not used yet. So all of this are brand new. This will be my backup. So over here, I have OPV Beauty 3D Silk Lashes in a beautiful packaging. More OPV Beauty lashes. I also have OPV Beauty Eyelash Adhesive, Dodo lashes, and also a pack of Kiss lashes. So on the next shelf, I put all of my used false lashes and also my press-on nails. So over here, I have Lasseline lashes, Slay lashes, Dodo lashes, and also two pair of Huda lashes. And on this side, I have more affordable options. So all of these are Ardell lashes. I also have some nail stickers, tweezers, and over here I have my press-on nails. As you can see, I really love Impress nails. And this is actually the nails that I use today. And on the back I have more press-on nails as well as false lashes. By the way, my favorite eyelash adhesive is by House of Lashes. So in the next drawer I put eyeshadow palettes. So over here I have eyeshadow palettes by 𝓟𝓻𝓸𝓭𝓾. I also have palette by MAC. I have palette by Pat McGrath's Lab and also Natasha Denona, as well as Urban Decay and Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I also have a starlit powder by Makeup Forever. By the way, if you want to see a more detailed video of any of my product collections, for example, eyeshadow palette collections, let me know in the comments down below so I can film a separate video for you and go in more detail and show you every palette. I didn't want to do it in this video, otherwise it will be very, very long. So in this drawer I keep my Morphe eyeshadow palette collection. I also have my palette from Eloise Beauty and also some palettes from OPV Beauty. And I also have some glittery liquid eyeshadows from Eloise Beauty. So in next drawer I put my Sephora collection eyeshadow palettes. I also have a palette from CoverGirl, as well as palette from Makeup Revolution, one more palette from Sephora, and also eyeshadows from L'Oreal, Maybelline and Victoria's Secret. So now I want to share a little life hack with you. So I usually take a look at the products that I buy in a store to see if I can then reuse the box, for example, as a makeup organizer. As you can see, we bought ourselves some boxes with Ferrero Rocher, and you can see that it comes in a clear box that can be perfectly used as a makeup organizer or for organizing any other products in your house. And I'm using the lid of it and also the box itself. So now I will show you how I'm using this Ferrero Rocher box as my makeup organizer. So as you can see, I ended up with tons of sweets and also with two makeup organizers. And you can see one of them is more deep and one of them is less deep, but also can hold some makeup. And I will show you throughout all of my makeup organization video how I'm using these two, storing different makeup products. So first of all, I will be taking this more deep box and I will be storing here smaller eyeshadow palettes. So here what I ended up with, so I have 4 Lancome eyeshadow palettes, 1 Smashbox and some other pigments. So in this drawer I have Estee Lauder eyeshadow palette, also palette from Smashbox, as well as eyeliners from e.l.f. And in this box from Sweets I just put smaller eyeshadow palettes and pigments. So next drawer I use all unused makeup, so this is all of my backup. So over here I have 2 palettes, so one of them is Naked by Urban Decay and also Modern Renaissance by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So in these acrylic organizers I keep different eyeliners and also different mascaras. I also have powder from Kiss, I have hydrating lip mask from Kylie, and also another eyeliner from 𝓟𝓻𝓸𝓭𝓾. I have some eyeshadows from Kiss. I also have spray and also primer from Kiss, as well as liquid lipsticks. And also over here I have Kylie's Skin Headband. On the back I have 2 sets from Sephora collection. So this is Bobbi Brown set that I got from 500 points, and also another set is by GlamGlow. So next drawer I keep all of my backup with skincare products. So over here I have different skincare masks. I also have Bioderma moisturizers, as well as makeup brush cleansers by Cinema Secrets and also MAC Cosmetics. I also have backup of my favorite makeup removing wipes by 𝓟𝓻𝓸𝓭𝓾 from Costco, as well as some sponges and velour puffs. And in the last drawer, I put different makeup bags filled with makeup samples. So in this makeup bag from Sephora, I have different skincare samples. And in this makeup bag by Too Faced, I have different primers. In this Sephora makeup bag that is really packed, I have a lot of samples of foundations and also concealers. In this makeup bag from Sephora, I have different deluxe samples, so they are more bigger, they are not flat, so I keep them over here. So in this makeup bag from Sephora, I have different lip products, and in last makeup bag from Lancome, I have highlighter samples. So I'm done organizing makeup in the first ALEX drawer, so now we'll be moving to my second ALEX drawer and we'll be keep going organizing my makeup collection. So in the first drawer in acrylic organizers, I put different jewelry. So over here I have earrings, I also have rings and different necklaces and also hairbands. So in the next drawer, I keep all of my brow products. So over here, from these acrylic organizers that I made from Ferrero Rocher boxes, I keep my Morphe brow products. In the next one, I have my Stila brow products and also my favorite brow powder by Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder. And in these acrylic organizers, I have different brow products. So I have some products from Benefit, also Anastasia Beverly Hills Kiss Professional. I also have some brow pencils by Maybelline, L'Oreal, Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I also have this kit from Profusion. So as you can see, it has different powders over here. It also has eyebrow stencils, it has brow gel, different brushes, and also brow pencil. So in the next drawer, I keep all of my powders, concealers, and also my primers. So I have powder from Dermablend, I also have powder from Too Faced, and I also have setting powder by Maybelline. Over here, I have concealers, so I have Stila, Urban Decay, Charlotte Tilbury. I also have concealers from Maybelline, as well as different concealers over here. So I have MAC, I also have L'Oreal, Garnier, and NARS. And over here in this acrylic organizer, I keep all of my primers. So I have some primers by Stila, MAC, Chanel. I also have Smashbox. I have L'Oreal. I also have Laura Mercier. Over here on the back, I have deluxe samples. So I have different primers that I got from Sephora. Over here, I have concealer by NARS, also powder by Laura Mercier. And over here, I have glow starter primers by Glam Glow. So in the next drawer, I keep all of my face palettes, all blushes, color correctors, contouring powders, and also bronzers. So over here, I have blush palette by OPV Beauty, MAC sculpting powders, cream contouring palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I also have Kat Von D contouring palette and color correctors by L'Oreal, two palettes by Morphe, one with blushes and one for contouring. I also have Alois Beauty liquid blushes and also Stila Cosmetics cream sticks, so they have blushes, highlighters, and cream bronzer. I also have cream sticks by KKW Beauty and two contouring palettes by Stila and by Kiss Professional. So this is how the Stila Cosmetics palette looks like, so it has bronzer and also highlighter. And here's contour kit by Kiss Professional, so this is how the shades looks inside. I also have cream stick by Makeup Revolution, and in this acrylic organizer that I bedazzled myself, I have different blushes. So I have blush by Lancome, also blush by Tarte, blush by MAC, and last one is by Milani. And over here in this box that I got from those Ferrero Rocher candies, I have different blushes and also bronzering powders. So I have bronzering powder by Yves Saint Laurent, two blushes by Chanel. So this is how the shades looks like. I also have bronzer boost by Physician Formula, mini bronzer, a sample by Too Faced, and cream blush by Yves Saint Laurent. So in this drawer, I keep all of my highlighters. So I have two palettes by Anastasia Beverly Hills, Nicole Guerra Glow Kit, and also another is Sun Dipped Glow Kit. I also have two highlighter palettes by Huda Beauty. So this one is 3D highlighter palettes in Golden Sands edition, and also another one is Winter Solstice edition. I also have some highlighters by OPV Beauty, highlighters by Eloise Beauty. I have Marc Jacobs Dewy Drops, and also a palette by Kiss Professional. In this acrylic organizer, I have some highlighters by Becca, Benefit, Cover FX. I also have Hourglass and Lancome. And in this bigger acrylic organizer, I have some highlighters by Maybelline, and also highlighter by MAC, and stick by Morphe, as well as liquid highlighter by Makeup Revolution. So in next drawer, I keep my foundation collection and also makeup removing wipes, as well as cleansing pads. So over here on the back, I have Kylie Skin makeup removing wipes and also makeup removing wipes by Kirkland from Costco. I have foundation by Guerlain. In this row, I keep all of my more higher-end luxury foundations. So I have Charlotte Tilbury, I have Too Faced, MAC, Huda Beauty, also Dior and Fenty Beauty. And on the next row, I keep my more budget and drugstore foundations. I have my Fit Me foundation by Maybelline. I also have L'Oreal True Match Lumi, sample of IT Cosmetics CC Cream, as well as my favorite L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear, L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow, and also Maybelline Dream Cushion. Over here I have the Magic Pads and also Nip and Fab Glycolic Daily Cleansing Pads. So next drawer is not as excited as was previous one. So over here I have cotton swabs. I also have this skincare set by Alview Exclusive. So we have a jade roller and also gua sha. I have selfie ring light by Impressions Vanity. I have some phone cases. I also have this LED nail lamp and also some rhinestone stickers. So in the next drawer, I have more stickers with rhinestones. I also have this curling iron, as well as acrylic organizer by Impressions Vanity. I'm not sure what I want to keep over here, so for now I'll be just putting it right here for the storage. And I also have this self-tanning glove. So in the last drawer, I keep all of my hairstyling products. So I have my hair brushes, I have some of my ties, I also have this hair iron by T3, I have this curling brush by Conair, and I also have this curling iron by Belleza. And this was my last drawer. And here's everything that I keep in my Alex Drawer units. I really hope that you like this video of me organizing my entire makeup collection. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and in one of the next organization videos I'll be organizing my makeup table. I have everyday drawer over here, so I'll be going through all of my makeup and just changing it and getting ready for fall. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!